Ever wonder why your everyday food tastes so everyday? The truth is, your food has more to give. And it could be your cookware that's holding it back. What if your cookware could help you unlock the full flavor of your food with the craft of how your cookware performs? What if your pan could reach and hold the perfect heat every time? Introducing Stahl Tri-ply, the 3-layered revolution for cooking perfection. Pioneered in India by Stahl in 2015, Tri-ply has sparked a movement in kitchens across the country. A stainless steel outer layer, an aluminium core, and another stainless steel inner layer, all fused together with precision. Tri-ply is proof of Stahl's obsession with design and innovation. Even heat distribution that brings out every bit of food flavor. The need for less oil, so food is healthier, and built to last for years of consistent performance. This isn't just cookware. This is science designed for sizzle. Unlock the flavor in your vegetables, the zing in your spices, the wow in your everyday. Thousands of home chefs and pros agree. Stahl elevates their cooking experience. Available in a range of options, you can unlock flavors in your cooking too. 25 lakh homes. One secret ingredient. Stahl Tri-ply.